Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. How are you all, my dear students? I, your mathematics teacher, Miss Amara, welcome you all here in our mathematics class. My dear students, our today's topic is addition and subtraction of units of time. As in the previous 2 days, we have done the addition and subtraction of the units of time separately, and today we have a combined lesson on addition and subtraction of units of time. The objectives of our today's lesson are, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to use the basic operations to convert units of time, to measure the passage of time using seconds, minutes and hours. So my dear students, let's start learning how we can add or subtract. We have example in front of us. 3 hours 27 minutes plus 2 hours 18 minutes. When we add the minutes into minutes, we are getting as 45 minutes. And when we add the hours, we are getting as 5 hours. My dear students, always keep it in your mind. You can add the minutes into minutes, hours into hours. You cannot mix them. Let's take one more example. 2 hours 25 minutes plus 1 hour 48 minutes. When we add minutes into minutes, we are getting as 73 minutes. And when we add hours into hours, we are getting as 3 hours. My dear students, you can see that the minutes are more than 60, but we have only 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if we have the minutes more than 60, we have to minus 60 from the minutes and we have to add 1 in the hours. So after doing so, we are getting 4 hours 13 minutes as our final answer. Let's say one more example. 5 hours 39 minutes plus 7 hours 47 minutes. While adding the minutes, we are getting 86 minutes. And when we add the hours, we are getting 12 hours. Here again, we have the minutes more than 60. So we have to do the same method. We have to subtract 60 from the minutes, and that 1 hour we have to give to the hours. So when we subtract 60 from the minutes, and after adding 1 in the hours, we are getting 13 hours and 26 minutes. Now, my dear students, let's practice for subtraction. Let's save some examples. The first example of the subtraction is 6 hours 48 minutes minus 2 hours and 23 minutes. As here we know that the minutes up are greater and the minutes down are smaller, so easily we can subtract. And after subtraction, we are getting 4 hours and 25 minutes. Here again, my dear students, you have to keep it in your mind that hours and minutes can be added or subtracted only in the minutes. Now the next example is 14 hours 23 minutes minus 9 hours and 47 minutes. Here you can see that the minutes up are smaller and the minutes down are larger. If we have like this, then we have to borrow 1 hour and we have to give that hour to the minutes. And we know in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. These are 13 hours now, and after adding 60 minutes, we have 83 minutes. Now we have to subtract 47 from 83 minutes, and we are getting as 36 minutes. And after subtracting the hours, we are getting as 4 hours. Let's have one more example. 9 hours 33 minutes minus 2 hours and 45 minutes. Here again we have to do the same method because the minutes up are smaller and the minutes down are larger. So when we take 1 hour from the hours, these are 8 hours, and these minutes will be given to the minutes, and now the minutes up are 93 minutes. Now we have to subtract 45 from 93, and 93 minus 45 will be 48 minutes, and 8 minus 2 hours will be 6 hours. So this is our final answer as 6 hours and 48 minutes. I hope, my dear students, it is clear to all of you, and now you can practice some more questions easily. Let's summarize our lesson. Add or subtract the units of time separately, but we may need to do some adjustment if the minutes end up 60 or more or less than 0. To add units of time, follow these steps. Add the hours, add the minutes. If the minutes are 60 or more, subtract 60 from the minutes and add 1 to the hours. And to subtract time, follow these steps. Subtract the hours, subtract the minutes. And if the minutes are negative, add 60 to the minutes and subtract 1 from hours. Let's end our lesson with this beautiful saying. Mistakes and challenges are the best time for your brain to learn. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.